Means we're in Wales. So we are in Wales. I've got a weekend here in an Airbnb to do some riding, to do some walking, and no signal, but it smells fresh. It smells like sheep poo. Hey. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Hey, James, how are you?
Got Monopoly, Scrabble, chess.
Yeah. I think we're going to be needing that tomorrow. Looks of the weather.
Yeah, tomorrow's like 90% or 100%
I think so,
sleet
yeah.
and rain. But yeah, we're just out in the
Little
sticks
village.
from that.
Right, we're looking at the weather for tomorrow to plan our ride.
No, around Wales.
Oh, is that actual snow or is that ice?
Well, it looks more like sleet, doesn't it?
You know what, Monopoly? It's that rule when somebody lands on a property and doesn't buy it. That's what causes the kick-off.
What, do you do an auction?
You have to do an auction,
Yeah,
don't
you
you?
do.
No, I've never heard of an auction.
See, this is the problem.
Technically, you should.
I've done an
People
auction,
pretend
but
that
I've
rule
also
doesn't
done no
exist.
auction. Yeah, you can do the auction, but
I'm not playing auction.
Every property has to sell as soon as one lands on it.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
I'm biding my time.
Read the rule. You can't buy
Look,
it.
we're arguing. We haven't got the bloody game out yet and we're arguing.
Yeah, let's play Scrabble.
Let's-
And then you put 3 down, and that is called a flop. So now.
Oh my god! Look at it! Good morning. Just got up. It is snowing, as you can see. It's been snowing for quite a while, so I don't think we're going to be riding bikes today. Oh, Christmas tree! We're just saying Christmas tree! Woohoo! Are we getting them up? Oh, Christmas lights! Are they blinking? Are we actually going to put a Christmas tree up?
Hello, I'm going out.
It is Christmas! The best bit! The chicken! Hey! What's going on out here? No, don't throw it at me! Who's throwing it at?
They're coming back. Be careful.
Oh god. No! Have you seen what's on this car? I love Xmas. Who's written that? Have you seen that? Have you written that?
No.
I do love Christmas!
Good shot,
Catching it. You caught it! Good morning. Properly this time. We are sadly not cycling. But we are going to be going out in the snow. Like, how beautiful is this? This is the thing, like, I love snow to look at, but then when you want to ride bikes or drive anyway, it's like a little bit frustrating. But yeah, we're just going to go on a walk, apparently. Oh! Was that you? Jay, was that you? Getting back later, don't you worry.
You're making me doubt if I've got the
Let's
door
go.
now, but pretty sure.
I've got Strava on.
Get Strava on!
Yeah.
You know what? Darius gets really angry when people put hikes on Strava.
Does it? Oh,
Darius, this one is for you, my friend. Ah, I missed it. No! I'm going for Jack. It's so beautiful. So just having a walk. Apparently, like I was saying before, apparently it's going to be 9 miles or so. I don't know how far we're walking. All I know is I've got Kendal mint cake in my pocket, so I'll be good. Yeah, it's having a very festive, Christmassy time. I hate to say the word Christmas, it's only November, but it does feel very Christmassy. And it's just nice for us all to be together and just have a nice little wander out. There we go.
Is this supposed to be like a crop circle or something?
I've been getting grumpy. They're all wanting to walk like 15k. I'm like, I am not walking 15k. How did you miss from that close? So snow angels, snow fights. I'm so cold. My hands are just completely numb. And we're about 5 minutes from home. Yay! I've been a little bit of a mardos. I'm just like, I'm just cold. How far is it? I don't want to walk that far. Have I been great company, Greg?
Sorry?
Have I been great company?
Oh, the best.
I'm just definitely a summer kind of gal.
The thing about snow.
Snowballs.
Yeah, forget snowmen.
Let's play it when we get back then.
It's there for throwing.
Elsa, look at the size of that ball.
Yeah.
This
is going
head off.
straight for Greg's head.
Oh! Oh!
Well, I figure it's natural. It'll probably be quite good for my hair.
Snow.
Right.
Upside down like this.
What is going on?
It's natural, isn't it? So I just want to see what happens.
This is what Welsh people do when they're not.
When they're not what, Greg?
Nothing.
Thank you.
Right, so hang on a minute now.
What's the land?
You can stay on free parking for 5 turns.
Can you?
Can you?
What's why it's called free parking?
It's just the way it works. I'm not going to be brave enough to do much.
There's some dodgy dealings going on here.
Pay me more.
Bankers
Yeah,
not
pay me
changing the
more.
right
Oh,
money.
Coming from Butler Woods Enterprises over there.
Right.
So me and Richard have merged, so we have the dollar.
4,
Are you out of it,
5,
Greg?
6. I will buy
You're out
3
of it.
hours.
I'm not quite out. I've got a set, but I just can't afford to build anything because I keep staying at very expensive hotels.
Again, please.
No,
I
they
think
won.
you guys
They
are
didn't win
cheating
fair
a
and square.
little, conniving.
We are victorious.
Scammers.
Cheating little
The chip and pin monopoly.
Oh, yeah.
There's a chip and pin.
What's
version.
that?
You have a little card.
Like when you
No.
when you owe someone, you just tap your you put the thing in, but it's really stupid
That's
because
ridiculous.
it doesn't.
Trying to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. So the plan was we were going to ride, but the weather is pretty snowy. So try to figure out whether we drive out somewhere else and ride, or walk here and not ride, or I don't know. I don't know what to do. Or maybe just go to the cinema.
Snow outside. There's just so much we
why
can
don't
do.
we, why don't we make Skittles?
We
and
should be
throw
having a-
snowballs on them.
We should be having a snowball fight. That's what we should be doing.
Just tomorrow.
Well,
that's
there'll
what
be
we're
snow
doing.
there tomorrow,
Yeah.
yes?
Get some
Still
sledges
make-
and go up some hills.
If there's still snow on the ground, we
Push
just
yourself
play
down.
here. That will be all the exercise.
Shall we just
we
do
need.
that?
Yeah. Enjoy the
And then if
fact
we get
that there's
bored of
snow
that-
in Thailand.
Yes.
Right. Cool.
Is it just a tap?
It's about it.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm still playing games, so I'm gonna go to
Um,
bed soon, and
Is it in Chiang Mai?
we'll see you tomorrow to see
Guys, goes to tap.
Oh, it
I
is
was
nice.
always
Yeah,
thinking of
what we'll do. I'm so sleepy. It's been such a nice day though. But it's so nice and cozy now. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you bright and early. No.